Hello and welcome to my latest review video. Today we're going to be looking at District Miniatures. Now District Miniatures specialise in decals. They specialise in a few different sizes. There's 28mm, 20mm and 15mm, and they're not just World War II decals, there's also modern decals in there, and they have a few different sizes as well. Now each decal sheet is full of variety, so you can tell that they've got scale modelers and wargamers in mind because they're going to be perfect for both, as well as just being a really good price, and the cost of postage is really cheap as well. Now District Miniatures was super kind and sent me out some samples, and as you can tell by the samples here, they focus primarily on the Far East for the British, so they know that I'm obsessed with that. They've got the 254th Indian Tank Brigade as my starting sheet, and you can tell there's a few different varieties of the Blood on Tracks emblem. They've got the 14th Army emblem as well as the different regiments there. The 50th Indian Tank Brigade decal sheet is here. Look at the resolution on those images. They are just absolutely lovely and full of vibrant colours. The bridge markers are full of different markers, obviously 40, 33, 30, so there's lots of variety there as well. And then we've got the 11th Armoured Division in their 20mm form. The sheet is very thin, which means the decal is going to be very thin, and the resolution and quality of these decals is just absolutely superb. Now I'm going to put them to the test though. I'm not just going to recommend them by just looking at them. Let's put them through their paces. So I'm going to use scissors to cut off the bits of decal that I want. I know some of you might be looking at this being like, don't use scissors, that's craziness. But yes, scissors just for ease, and I like to use scissors myself as opposed to a Stanley knife. I let the decal soak in water for about 15 seconds and it came off the transfer sheet super easily. Went on to the model really well, very little hassle, and look how thin that is. It's already looking like it's conforming to the surface without having to do much. Bearing in mind there is a gloss varnish on this already. Now I'm just removing the excess water by using a cotton bud and just dabbing it on the outer edge of the decals and letting that cotton bud absorb the water. And then I'm applying some microsol, which is going to soften the decal and let it conform to that surface just a little bit better, and hopefully hide some of that clear transfer film that's around the actual decal. And once that's been left to dry for a good couple of minutes, I then do exactly the same process with that cotton bud, and you can already see these decals. Look how vibrant they are. The number 4 in that middle decal doesn't stand out as much. Maybe it needs like a little tiny bit of black on the outer edge, but you know what, I'm super chuffed with these compared to other decals I've had in the past. I think they're going to look absolutely great once weathered and stuff. And then we've got this decal here on the turret. Look at that, that just looks so good. That's without any like gloss varnish or anything. Now we've put in a gloss varnish to really seal those decals, and you can see that they've just sealed so well. Looking really, really nice, super vibrant. Resolution is just great, so I'm trying to get this to focus now so you can really see it. Looking the bee's knees, just absolutely fantastic. A huge thumbs up from me on these decals. Well worth grabbing yourself some. They are super responsive on Facebook as well, and they're active a lot, so get on there, give them a like. Go on their website, grab a few samples if you're interested in some decals, because I can guarantee you won't be disappointed. Leave a comment below if you're going to be grabbing some decals from District Miniatures, or if you've already grabbed some, and give us your thoughts. Do you agree with me or do you disagree? I'd love to know. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it here and I'll catch you at the next one.